Gotta ask you guys a question. Have you ever felt the need to have near field communication on your pocket knife? Well, with the Goslick Cairo spelled with a K, you can have that. The 2.99 inch Sandvik 14C28N blade. This is actually a pretty nice knife for $24. Have no idea how the heat treat is. Literally just got it. Amazon special. Very deep carry pocket clip. I mean, doesn't get much deeper than that. Button lock, not top liner. 2.99 inch 14C 28N. And yeah, there's NFC built right into the handle. So if you want to share some business cards or whatever you want to do, or website, maybe your YouTube channel, you can do that with your pocket knife by Goslick.